Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the scale tool to change the scale of your points, as the name would suggest. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got FieldGenius open, and I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where my plumb bob icon is and open up my calculations menu. I'm then going to scroll to the bottom of my calculations menu here and select the Rotate, Translate, Scale tool, and then I'm going to go Apply User-Defined Parameters. Now, I was messing around a bit earlier in the day, so it's going to ask me to reset all my parameters. I'm going to hit yes. Do keep in mind, if you do this, you're not going to be able to undo your previous parameters, but I'm going to hit yes here. And then I'm going to select my scale option in the top right. And you can see here that I have a couple of different options. I can set a scale base point and a scale factor. So the point around which I want to scale will be my scale base point. In this case, I'm going to double click in the box and select from my map screen here, and I'm going to select 0.17. And now what I can do is I can enter the scale factor that I actually want to apply to these points. So in my case, I'm going to do a bogus scale factor, so it's really obvious to see this transformation. So I'm going to use one that is quite comically large of a scale factor of 5, and I'm going to enter a point range of 1 to 100, so it applies to all of my points. And what you're going to see here is when I hit OK and the points are processed, suddenly points have all disappeared from my map screen, and you can see that my scale right now is set to 50 meters. And if I click the Expand All Zoom option, you can see that I'm now at 150 meters because I have scaled my points by 5. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to scale your points. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.